Hi viewers, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to interpret the alternating green and orange lights, common error codes in Canon printer. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome and kindly don't forget to subscribe. So as you can see, my printer is it is blinking. You can see it is alternating blue, green and orange color. So this is how you're supposed to interpret. Number one, if the first thing that you're supposed to do, you're supposed to count the number. You're supposed to count the number of orange blinks between the green ones. So and this is what it means. If it blinks two times, if you have two orange, this orange one, if it blinks two times, it means your printer is out of paper. The printer is out of paper, or paper is not feeding. That is error code number one. And then number two, if it blinks three times, if you have this orange, if it blinks three times, it means there is a paper jam, so you need to correct that. Then if it blinks four times, if you have this orange color, if it blinks four times, it means the ink cartridge is not properly installed, so you need to look at the ink cartridge. And then number four, if it blinks five times, if you have five orange blinks, that means that ink cartridge is not recognized. So you need to look for a genuine one, the one that is recognized by your printer. And then if it blinks seven times, like right now you can see mine is blinking seven times. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, correct. That is correct. So that means if it blinks seven times, it means ink cartridge is faulty. So you need to look for a new one because your ink cartridge is faulty. Like this one, I'll have to buy a new one. And then if it blinks eight times, it means ink absorber is almost full. Ink absorber is almost full, so you that may need service, so you need to look at the ink absorber. And then if it blinks nine times, it means protective material inside the printer. It means that the protective material is still inside the printer, so you need to look at that. You check the protective material. And then if it blinks 14 times, that is the last error code. If it blinks 14 times, it means the ink cartridge is not compatible, so you need to look for a compatible one. If this video was helpful, please share your comments, like and share. Thank you. See you in the next video.